Hello, in today's video we're going to talk about mistakes that many non-native speakers make when they use prepositions. As you can see in the title, here we have wrong prepositions. So it means it's very important to pay attention to this lesson because I am sure that you make the same mistakes. But for now, in this lesson, we're gonna find a solution to your problem, because this is a very huge problem, serious problem, when you use the preposition but it's not correct. Now we're going to find out which preposition is appropriate. Now we have like the first, observed, observed in or observed at. Observed in or observed at. Number two, accused of or accused for. Number three, charged with or charged of. Ask yourself, do you make the same mistake? Yes or no? If yes, so please pay closer attention to this lesson, and I'm sure at the end of this lesson you're gonna feel more confident when you are using prepositions with verbs. Okay, let's start with number one. Observed in and observed at, or observed at. Which one is appropriate? Think a little bit. When I am very busy, when I am into something, when I am like doing something and I don't feel the environment, outside environment, I am into it. I am observed. I am observed in this job, in this work, in this task, in what I'm doing. So as you noticed here, I am using the preposition in. Why? Observed in. Observed in. Not observed at. Not observed at. I am observed in. For example, Kim is Kim was observed in her reading, for example. Reading. Observed in doing something. Kim was observed at her reading. So, as I said, this one is incorrect. The correct one is in. Okay? Good. An exercise for you. An example for you. Or exercise. Bao Long was observed what his work. So which one are you going to use? In or at? Balaam was absorbed in his work or at his work? I think you're gonna use in. Okay, very good. You are so good. In. Excellent. Okay? So please remember, absorbed in. It's like a sponge, okay? Absorbed in. I am into this thing. I am into my work. I am into this task. I love it. I like it. I am absorbed in it. Means I am focused. Really focused on this job. So, I am absorbed in this job. Okay? Good job. Now, let's move on to another example. The example we have here is accused. Accused. Number 2. Accused of, or accused for. Which one is correct? Do we use accused of or accused for? I'll give you an example. Me and was accused for stealing. Or me and was accused of stealing. Accused of or accused for? What do you think, guys? Which one is correct? Mi'an was accused for stealing, or Mi'an was accused of stealing. Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The correct answer, write in the comment, okay? Write in the comment. The correct answer is of stealing. Of stealing. Not for stealing. Of stealing. Mi'an was accused of stealing. Stealing, you steal something. You steal something that's not yours. Okay? You steal something. Steal. Okay? This is the verb, stealing. Alright. Okay, I'll give you another example. This is your example. You have to give me the answer. Example. Give me a Vietnamese name. Okay, Kiet or Viet was accused of, oh no, accused lying. Okay, lying. Which preposition are you going to use? Of lying or for lying? Okay, I give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, very good. The correct answer is of. Of. Okay, nice, very good. You just need to practice, okay? Practice these prepositions. You are not going to have any issues in the future if you focus now and practice, practice, practice. All right, accused of. Accused of. Not accused for. Okay, remember this. Accused of. Very good. Write down in the comments. And also, if you have a notebook, please bring it and copy. Pause the video and copy. Easy, huh? Easy to learn. Okay. Whenever you have issues, just pause the video and copy. Number three. Number three is charged. Charged. Charged of or charged with. Which one is appropriate? Which one is correct? Of or with? What do you think, guys? Try your best. Can you guess which one is correct? As a non-native speaker, which one is correct for you? Charged of or charged with? I'll give you an example. Like, men to was charged of robbery. No, let's say I give you this example later. Mentor was charged of the crime, or Mentor was charged with the crime. All right. Which one do you think is correct? Now it's your turn. Which one is correct? Of or with? According to the sentence, what do you think? Mentor was charged of the crime, or Mentor was charged with the crime? The correct answer is, write in the comments, Okay, 5 seconds. Boom, hi, ba, boom, num. The correct answer is with the crime. With the crime. Mentor was charged with the crime. All right, very good. Now let's go to the example or exercise. Example. Now it's your turn to practice. Let's say V was charged robbery. Okay, was charged robbery. Do we say V was charged with the robbery, or V was charged of robbery? The answer is yes, with robbery. She was charged with robbery. Excellent. Robbery means you take something from someone. Okay, you steal something from someone, from a house or a bank, okay? And each one has a specific name, like from pocket, pickpocket, from the bank, from the house, okay? Not all of them robbery. No. Excellent. V was charged with robbery. That's it. You practice more exercises, more sentences. Okay, let's recap. Number 1, observe. Observe. In. 2, accused. Accused of. 3, charged. Charged with. Charged with. Very good. Charged with. Of. In. Excellent. Okay? Remember them. So, if you like this video and this lesson, please just write in the comment. Give it a like also, that I can know that you like the video. Next time I'm going to talk about another prepositions with other verbs. Alright. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Goodbye.